Okay, today I want to present a photodiode. What is a photodiode? Photodiode is a PN junction diode that consumes light energy to produce an electric current. They are also called a photodetector, a light detector, and a photosensor. Photodiodes are designed to work in a reverse bias condition. Typical photodiode material are silicon, germanium, and indium gallium arsenide. Okay, next. Okay, this is a photodiode symbol. The symbol of a photodiode is similar to an LED, but here the arrow point inward. Okay, next. Okay, how photodiode works? It works in principle of the photolicure effect. That operating principle of a photodiode is such that when a junction of a two-terminal semiconductor device is illuminated, then the electrical current starts flowing through it. Okay. Next. Okay, some application of photodiode. Photodiode are used in a logic circuit, solar cell panel, detection circuit, lighting regulation, optical communication, and a photodiode can be used as a light sensor and convert light energy into electrical energy. Okay. This is a type of a photodiode. Okay. Next. This is the advantage of photodiode. First is quick response when exposed to the light. Second, the reverse current is linearly proportional to the intensity of incident light. High speed operation, lightweight and compact size. Wide spectral response. Photodiode because a photodiode made from a silicon respond to radiation wavelength. Okay, and last, relative low cost. Okay, this is some disadvantage of photodiode. Its properties are temperature dependent, similar to many other semiconductor device. And then last, a low reverse current for the low illumination level.
Okay, next we continue about light emitting diode. What is LED? A light emitting diode LED is a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current flows through it. When current passes through an LED, the electrons recombine with holes emitting light in the process. LEDs allow the current to flow in the forward direction and blocks the current in the reverse direction. Light emitting diodes are heavily doped PN junction. Based on the semiconductor materials used and the amount of doping, an LED will emit color light at a particular spectral wavelength when forward biased. As shown in the figure, an LED is encapsulated with a transparent cover so that emitted light can come out.
LED symbol. The LED symbol is the standard symbol for a diode with the addition of two small arrows denoting the emission of light, which is anode and cathode. How does LED work? Minority electron and hole are delivered from P to N and N to P respectively when the diode is forward biased. Minority carriers are more concentrated around the junction boundary. At the intersection, the extra minority carrier recombine with the majority charges carrier. Working principle of LED. LEDs find application in various fields, including optical communication, alarm and security system, remote control operation, robotics, and etc. It finds uses in many areas because of its long-lasting capability, low power requirement, switch response time, and fast switching capabilities.
Use of LED. LEDs find applications in various fields, including optical communication, alarm and security systems, remote control operations, robotics, etc. It finds uses in many areas because of its long-lasting capability, low power requirements, swift response time, and fast switching capabilities. Used for TV backlighting, used in displays, used in automotive, LEDs used in the dimming of lights. Types of LED is miniature LED, high power LED, flash LED, lighting LED, bi and tri LED, red, green, blue LED, and alphanumeric LED. Advantage of LEDs. LEDs consume less power and require low operational voltage. No warm-up time is needed for LEDs. The emitted light is monochromatic. They exhibit long life and ruggedness.
I want to present a laser diode. What is a laser diode? Laser diode is a semiconductor device similar to the light emitting diode LED. It uses a PN junction to emit coherent light in which all the waves are at the same frequency and phase. The coherent light is produced by the laser diode using a process termed as a light amplification by simulation emission of radiation, which is abbreviated as a laser. And since a PN junction is used to produce a laser light, this device is named as a laser diode. Okay, next. The working of laser diode takes place in a three main steps. First, energy absorption, spontaneous emission, and the last one is stimulate emission. Okay. Next is a laser diode symbol. Okay. It's the same like LED symbol. It's a standard symbol for a diode with the addition of two small arrows denoting the emission of the light. Okay. Next. How does laser diode works? It uses a PN junction to produce a coherent light where all the waves are the same frequency and phase. The coherent light is emitted by a laser diode using a process light amplification by stimulate radiation emission, referred to as laser. As it uses a PN junction to produce laser light, hence the name laser diode. Okay. Use of a laser diode. Laser diode modules are used in all the major area of electronic region from. Okay, this is laser diode consume electronic like a CD, DVD player, laser printer, fiber optic communication, barcode, medical machine, and so on. Okay, next. The last one is advantage of a laser diode. When the laser diode is compared with the other light emitting device, the operational power is less in the laser diode. Okay. Second, the handling of this diode is easy as they are small. And the last one is the light generated by this diode is a high efficiency. Okay. Thank you.